track with those torsion bars.
Yeah.
I'm standing next to Project Black Beauty, our 1963 Imperial Crown convertible, one of only 531 ever produced. In this quick video, I'm going to take you through what I've done over the last week, which includes how I corrected the 50-year-old repaint on the car, as well as some of the other parts I have ordered. As soon as I finish the fourth step, which is the hand-applied wax this morning, I think Joe and I'll take it out for a shakedown cruise, which you can watch at the end of this video. Stay tuned. The car had its original pink slipped, California pink slip. I'd never seen one before in person. And so I took that to the New Jersey DMV earlier this week, and the car is now registered and titled here in New Jersey. It has QQ plates. So once I finish waxing it, I think we're going to take it out for a little shakedown cruise with the top down. So our Imperial, we bought all Hemmings, came in the Friday before Labor Day weekend 2025. So really didn't have a chance to work on the car until this past week. And most of that activity centered around paint correction. This car did receive a repaint in 1977. It's held up very well. But what was most noticeable were particularly along the long flat sections of the hood and the toilet bowl equipped trunk were just heavy scratches, like the car wash scratches. I used my Griots bumpers. I first used their complete compound, used that with an orange pad, and then I moved to their complete polish using the orange pad, and then finally going to their sealer and cleaner. As the third step, I used the Griots sealer with a black pad. The combination of those three really brought back the painting. Got rid of the scratches. They're a little bit noticeable here in this artificial light, but I think once we get that out in the sun, it's going to look pretty stellar. This whole car, all 21 feet of it, I did 3 passes with my buffers. Now that it's registered, as soon as I finish the fourth step, which is the hand-applied wax this morning, I think Joe and I'll take it out for a shakedown cruise, which you can watch at the end of this video. That first week after Labor Day, I ordered some parts, and and some of them have come in. Most notably is a replacement driver's side tail light. The one on here now is currently cracked, and so we're going to put that new unit in. I ordered a carpet from Newark Auto. I'm not going to show it right now because I need to call them. There are sections of it that I thought should have a seam on them, and quite frankly, it's frayed. More on that in an upcoming episode. The curved top was probably what held this car back on the Hemmings auction, and we've gone ahead and ordered the top. I ordered it from the Convertible top guys out of Rhode Island, and to their credit, they've already sent me the top pads and tacking materials and some other ancillary stuff to install the top. That arrived early this week, and made a decision, instead of going with a black top, between the stunning black exterior, the nice colored red interior, we're going to make this pop a little bit more with a white top. So that is a 3 to 4 week lead time. That'll give us an opportunity to restore the other components of the frame before we actually start putting the top on. So really, that's all we've had time for on this car. The major thing was getting bringing the paint back to light, making it really pop. It's another example of if you want top dollar from an auction, put the time in to get the paint looking as best as it can. And if you can't do it yourself, pay the $300 or so to have somebody professionally do it. You'll more than make up for it, more than likely, during the auction. My Saturday morning grind time video is going to feature me polishing the stainless steel hubcaps that are on this car. There is almost a solid disc, a very cool looking thing, but they're very dull. I'm hopeful I can bring these, like some shine back to these to match the chrome on the car. deal. What railroad track? With those torsion bars.
Yeah. Ah, fucking speedo's working.
Oh.
413's kicking in. Hey, this is smooth, boy. Ain't it?
Very nice.
Yes. 34. About 10 too fast.
Okay. Oh, we're taking this to some car show. I don't know.
Oh yeah, sure. Nah, this is something that feels pretty good.
Oh, the brakes.
Brakes feel good. They're right on the money.
Nice.
Shift's nice.
Yeah.
Nice and firm.
She was rebuilt at some point, so.
You know what? This is pretty tight.
I love these old torsion bar suspended Chryslers, man. And everybody's looking.
Let them look.
Let them look.
Oh, this is a good beach cruiser here.
Oh my God, it's a beauty.
Oh, yeah.
No pull or anything. I just look at that.
Brakes feel perfect.
Good.
Trans shift's good. Motor sounds good.
That's a little wonky, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, thanks.
Thank you. What I like is the temperature staying down.
Yeah.
These old dogs had a tendency of overheating.
Sure.
Ain't doing no shaking or nothing.
Boy, what a find.
55 mile an hour, fucking perfect.
Thanks for watching this video. Please press the like and subscribe button, comment below, and be sure to check out our other videos on this subject, as well as all of the great content on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can call me at the number listed below, or be sure to check out our main website, guyswithrides.com.